Financial independence is no longer a distant dream reserved for the end of a long career. It's an achievable goal that can be reached well before traditional retirement age. In a world of rising living costs and economic uncertainty, taking control of your finances means taking control of your time, your choices, and your future. Reaching financial independence isn't about extreme sacrifice or sudden wealth. It's about making smart plans, saving consistently, investing with intention, and building multiple streams of income that work together over time. With the right habits and mindset, you can break free from paycheck-to-paycheck living and move toward a life where work becomes a choice, not a necessity. Financial independence starts with mastering the balance between income and expenses. Living below your means doesn't require extreme deprivation. It's about spending intentionally, prioritizing what truly adds value to your life and cutting back on what doesn't. By eliminating unnecessary expenses, you free up money for saving and investing, allowing you to enjoy life today while still preparing for the future. Consistent saving is the foundation of long-term financial freedom. When savings are treated as a fixed, non-negotiable expense, progress becomes automatic. Automating transfers to savings and investment accounts removes temptation and builds discipline. Over time, even small, regular contributions grow into meaningful wealth, proving that consistency matters more than occasional large deposits. True financial independence goes beyond numbers. It's about aligning your money with your personal values and life goals. Whether you value flexibility, family time, travel, or creative freedom, your financial choices should support those priorities. When your spending and saving reflect what matters most to you, staying motivated becomes easier and every financial decision feels more purposeful. Active income requires constant effort, such as a full-time job or freelance work, while passive income continues to generate money with minimal ongoing involvement. Building passive income reduces reliance on a single paycheck and creates greater financial stability. Although passive income often requires time, effort, or capital upfront, the long-term payoff can significantly accelerate your path toward financial independence. There are several passive income ideas that actually work when built with intention. These include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, digital products, affiliate marketing, and online courses. Each option comes with different levels of risk, investment, and scalability. The key is choosing income streams that align with your skills, resources, and risk tolerance, then committing to grow them steadily over time. Relying on just one source of income can be risky, especially during economic uncertainty. Diversifying your income creates a financial safety net and adds stability. When one stream slows down, others can continue supporting your goals. This approach not only increases earning potential but also strengthens long-term financial resilience. Investing for long-term security starts with time. Beginning early allows compound growth to work in your favor, meaning your money earns returns not only on what you invest, but also on the gains it produces. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over the years, making early action more important than trying to time the market perfectly. Choosing the right investments depends on understanding your personal risk tolerance. Everyone has a different comfort level with risk, and knowing yours helps you build a balanced mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. A well-diversified portfolio reduces volatility while still allowing for growth, creating a more stable and confident investing journey. Market ups and downs are unavoidable, but emotional reactions can slow progress. Staying consistent, avoiding panic decisions, and maintaining a long-term perspective are key to success. Strategies like regular investing help smooth out market fluctuations and keep your financial plan moving forward, even during uncertain times. Minimalism can significantly accelerate financial freedom by encouraging a simpler, more intentional lifestyle. When you focus on what truly matters and cut unnecessary expenses, You free up money that can be redirected towards saving and investing. Lower expenses also mean you need less income to maintain your lifestyle, bringing financial independence within closer reach. As income grows, spending often increases as well, a pattern known as lifestyle inflation. Minimalism helps break this cycle by promoting conscious consumption. Instead of constantly upgrading and buying more, the focus shifts to financial security and long-term freedom, allowing wealth to grow rather than disappear through everyday spending. Minimalism isn't just about money, it's about freedom. With fewer possessions and financial obligations, stress decreases and clarity improves. This creates space for better financial decisions, stronger focus on long-term goals, and faster progress toward true financial independence.